What's up YouTube? What's up Maschine? What's up Mr. Green? What's up SoundCloud, Tumblr, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, Japan, Brooklyn? What's up world? Come on. What's up? I'm here today really quickly before I head off to work to basically submit my entry for this lovely contest called Live from the Streets by Mr. Green. Mr. Green is a producer that basically he had some sounds that he recorded all over the globe and took some samples, put it on SoundCloud. He collaborated with Maschine, Native Instruments Maschine, which is the company that produced this lovely thing here, and basically came out with a contest, sent out an email, here's some samples, use them, make something. The deadline is this date. I decided to just go ahead and have some fun and make an entry. So this is my entry. Let's go. Like right now.
That's the thing. If you could tell the world one thing, what would you tell them? Knock down your barriers and be real with people.